We are putting on the denim apron today, and we are going to make a recipe that is fiber-rich focused. Let me explain. We need fiber in our diet, and I feel like we're not getting enough fiber because we're eating so many ultra-processed foods. I want to get back in the kitchen making real whole foods that are rich in fiber. One of the reasons that I want to focus on fiber this week is it is Heart Health Awareness Month. And my husband had a heart attack 11 years ago. So this topic really is close to me. And I want to help people get their heart healthy. When we have a fiber-rich diet, did you know that can help lower our LDL cholesterol? We want to keep that number low, and we can do that by incorporating foods into our diet that promote heart health. This recipe today is loaded with ingredients that are going to support your heart health. Not only are we going to use lentils that are very rich in fiber, anything in the bean family, the legume family, they're going to be packed with fiber and also a very clean source of protein. We're also going to be incorporating zucchini, which is very high in fiber as well. Did you know that garlic is in the onion family? Everything in the onion family supports heart health as well. When we eat onions, such as yellow onion, red, green, shallots, leeks, garlic, they all go in and they basically relax our blood vessels. Yes, they do. What does that do? That helps open up and relax the blood vessels so our blood can flow more evenly. When that happens, our blood pressure is under control. So not only are we focusing on fiber-rich recipe today, we're also going to focus on heart health as a whole. Today, we are going to make a one-pan dish. I love it when you don't have to do a ton of dishes after you are in the kitchen. You're going to love this recipe. Let's dive in. We are going to cut the zucchini first because what we want to do is place it in a bowl with a little bit of salt. What that's going to do is it's going to draw out excess moisture in the zucchini so they're not so watery. You know, carrots are really good for our eyes. They're very high in beta carotene, which really helps promote our eye health. So as we age, don't just think about your eyes are pretty, think about glaucoma, cataract, and such. We want to keep our eyes strong and prevent those things from creeping in. So anything that you eat, fruits or vegetables that are orange or yellow or red, they have beta carotene in them. And the bottom flavoring is called souks. then we should be able to get those sooks right off the bottom once we add a little bit of broth to the bottom. Just like that. About halfway through with the lentils cooking, you just want to add your chicken back in. That's going to really deepen the flavor of the lentils by adding that chicken and all its juices back in, and it's also going to finish cooking that chicken and get it really tender. Remember, we don't want it on a high boil, we just want it on a really low simmer, so everything cooks low and slow. Make sure the chicken is completely covered. Place your lid back on with a little crack and let them finish cooking.